Okay, so we are done with check-in, security check. I've gotten my boarding pass. Everything is done, and now I'm at the breakfast table right now. I'm having my sada dosa. Here's my mom.
I'm having my coffee.
Yes. So South Indian breakfast today, and then we'll check, and then we'll go to the flight.
कैबिन में हवा का दबाव कम होने पर ऑक्सीजन रकाव अपने आप
Okay, so we have reached Bagdogra right now, and from here we have a 3 hours journey to Gangtok. So we have landed in Bagdogra, and now we'll do a 3 hours road trip to Gangtok. So let's go. Okay, so currently I am in Gangtok, and now I am heading to Mall Road to eat something because I'm hungry. So let's go there right now. Okay, so I came on Mall Road to have pizza. Okay, because I was craving for pizza. I didn't have pizza for a while now, so I wanted to eat pizza. But then when I went to the Pizza Hut over here, the cheese was over. The cheese got over, and I was like, now what should I do? Now I'm searching for a food to eat. Let's see, will I find or will I stay hungry tonight? Must say hi. Hi. Abra say hi. Abra say hi.
Hi dear.
So hey guys, it's literally day 2 of a Gangtok trip, and here I am. We are exploring the Gangtok city, and I am at the waterfall, the something. I can't remember the name of the waterfall, but I'm here at the waterfall, and once I'll reach up at the waterfall, I'll show you guys how the waterfall looks. Okay guys, it's evening time and we have come out for a quick stroll on the streets of Gangtok. And I'm so breathless. It's because there's this huge steep slope and it's breathtaking. That's the only thing that I can say. It's so breathtaking. And I'll walk this so that whatever I'm eating, it will get burned out. After walking for hours and after waiting for this for this wrap for minutes, I found this. I actually burnt all the calorie while walking, and then I had this. So all the calories which are burned, it's gained. So hey guys, it's day 3 of my Gangtok second trip, and it's one hell of a trip. It's so hectic, it's so chaotic as well. Now I'm sitting in the car to head to Natola Pass. Yes, I'm going to Natola Pass, which is the India and China border, the Tibet area of China. It's something of that sort, so I'm going there. My mom puked twice. The roads here are so terrible. The guards. Oh my god. I cannot show you all the roads over here because most of the time what I do is sleep so that my mind gets distracted and there's nothing much to think about, and even I won't puke. We don't have to stop. We don't have to take pit stops in between. So I just sleep. And yeah, I'm sitting in the car right now. Let's see if I'll have Maggie right now because actually I don't have much during traveling. I don't eat much. I'm so sorry. I don't eat much because I feel if I'll eat, then bro, even I'll puke. So even my mom don't eat much, but I don't know how. She forgot to take some medicines, and that's the reason maybe she's puking right now. But once I'll reach up there, we have literally been sitting in the car for like 2 hours now, and we have more 1 hour left to reach up there. So yeah, it's one hell of a journey. But yeah, surely it is interesting and adventurous. The roads here are adventurous, but it's too risky. Like whenever landslides can happen, your life is at stake when you come here. But yeah, once I'll reach up there, I'll show you all how Nathala Pass looks. Guys, I don't know if you all can hear me or not, but I'm speechless, I'm breathless. I'm like literally on the top. I've not even climbed up there because it's freezing cold. I forgot to bring my gloves. My hands are numb. I've just covered my ears and I've worn my leather jacket just to keep me warm. But I don't feel warm. The warmth is not here, to be honest. But yeah, let's see. So hey guys, here I am at the Songo Lake. It's been one hell of a journey, I must say that. And look at the beauty. It's so aesthetic. I cannot even explain in words. The camera cannot capture the beauty, but it's so beautiful, it's so alluring. I absolutely love it. It's literally cinematic over here. The wind is too much. It's freezing cold. It's so windy. The clouds are all over. Can you all see? The lake is here, and now I am going at the edge of the lake just to wash my hands. It's like a thrill adventure that I'll do. So let me take you all along. Go and wash my hands in the water. I don't know how cold the water is, but I will do it. Khatro ke Khiladi. Let's go.
Is it cold?
No, it's not.
Not.
No, I think my hands are numb.
Go that side na little bit. You want to do Khatro Ke Khiladi na? Then do it properly. Enough, enough. Hey, nahi, come. Go. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Now let's go. There's some thunder sounds coming. Now
Yes?
let's go. Yes. So hey guys, that brings us to the end of today's vlog. I know this vlog was a little chaotic than usual, but I cannot help it. As you guys know that I have been traveling since the past 2 to 3 days, and stay tuned for the second leg of this trip, which will be soon uploaded on my channel as well. But yeah, this time, like, this vlog is like the first leg of the trip. I have divided this 7-day trip into 2 parts, like the first 4 days and then the rest 3 days. So I am doing that. I don't know how will I edit and upload the vlog. I mean, I am trying my ass off to do that because I am still on my trip. So I am planning to actually edit the vlog today itself and upload the vlog today itself. But yeah, whatever it is, this vlog was a little chaotic than usual. But yeah, please ignore that. And I hope you love watching this video. And if you did, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, bye.